guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Now, in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I got this really simple. It's so simple, guys. It's my go-to soft glam look for when I have plans that I want to cancel, but I'm going to show up. So I'm going to do minimum effort just to make sure that I look presentable. And trust me, it's really the lashes. I'm just going to tell you from now. Literally, the look is so simple. I only use 3 shadows. Everything else, lashes are even optional. Pop of color optional. So it's really, really easy. And if you have the right palette, you can just use one. All right? We out the door with it. Okay? So if you want to see how I got this really simple, easy look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did already go ahead, zoom you guys in. My eyebrows are already done. If you haven't seen how I do my eyebrows, go ahead and check out my complete eyebrow tutorial. I definitely show you how I do my eyebrows from start to finish. In case you guys are ever wondering, I know a lot of people always comment on my Instagram about my brows, and that's how I do them. So check that out. So I'm just going to show you my go-to look. This is like my go-to when I have to do something. Honestly, it's for when I make plans that I don't want to keep, and I don't really want to do anything. So this is how I get by. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. It's really easy. I think I only use about 3 shadows. No cut crease. Listen. That's it. So let's get started. So for my transition shade, because, okay, where's my brush? All right. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go into the Storybook Cosmetics palette that I got from my BoxyCharm. I don't know what month. I think maybe December 2018. It's from BoxyCharm, okay? Because I found out this was $35 and I was like, no. I'm gonna go with my eye blender. This is my 225 by Zoeva. If you saw my cousin reacting to my video, Raccoon reacted to my video, and he kept calling it I don't know what he was saying. It was wrong. Zoeva. And that's that. I'm gonna go into Journey right here. It's just like a pretty, like, peachy shade, and I love it. I really do. So I'm just gonna go in with this shade, if I can hold my mirror right. And this is just gonna be my transition. Again, this is a real easy look. Like, honestly, I do this all the time. The only thing I change up is like a pop of color, and you guys can see that in a second, but it's honestly for the plans that you wish you canceled. No lie. So if you guys see me in public and I have a similar look, just know that I don't want to be there, like, at all. So that's it for that shade. Journey. It's on. It's good. It's blended. I love the shade. I don't know why. I just really do. Next, I'm going to go into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Now, honestly, if there was another lighter brown or lighter matte in this that I could have used, I would have just used this one palette. But I needed something else. And as you can see, this baby has been used. It's one of my favorite palettes ever. Ever. Okay? Now I'm just going to go into this brown up here and hit the crease and outer corner. And for that, I'm going to use my petite crease brush. This is my 231. Just going to get up in there. And of course, you can use any brown that you want. You don't have to use these shades. This is just to give you an idea of what I like to do. You can do something similar. It's just to get you out the door into the plans that you wish you canceled, or that you wish got canceled on. You ever make plans with a friend and it's like, you make the plans and immediately after you're like, damn, I don't want to do it, and you wait for the other one to cancel? It's like that. That's what you do. This is that look. So just right in the crease, just to deepen it up a little bit. Alright, so once you get that, like, you build it up a little bit. It's not a huge difference, just gives like a small gradient because they're similar in like red tones. So that's what it is. Like, again, if this palette had like a lighter brown, I would have loved that, but it doesn't. So I have to use more than one palette. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with my blending brush. This is my 225. Yeah, I don't know why I always check. I know what they are. God. I'm just gonna go with my 225. I'm not gonna add anything else to it. I'm just gonna actually blend that out a little bit more. Once that's blended out, not too many more steps to be honest. I'm just gonna go ahead. It's so hot, I'm sweating. gonna take my flat brush that I use for any shimmers, glitters, stuff like that. And I'm just gonna go into this pink here. It's like a duochrome. If you had the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 1, this is in there. It's on like that first row of those duochromes. It's a very, very similar shade and it's one of my favorites. I just never use that palette. I just don't. And I'm just gonna go ahead right on the lid. Again, I'm not even cutting the crease, y'all. That ain't happening. Not today. Don't worry about the fallout. I do not knock off any excess with a shimmer because I want all of that pigment, all of it. Don't try to play. I just love this shimmer. It's so pretty. See how simple the look is? Like, we cute, but we not trying to like look better than everybody we with. We still might, but that's not what the goal is. The goal is like just calm, cute. Just calm, cute. And I'm not doing the most because I didn't want to be in the first place. That's the look we're going for. Don't ever forget it. A lot of y'all looking back and be like, damn, she had that same look when she came to my... Yup, I did. And I didn't want to go. So back into my Zulu palette, I'm just going to go back into this brown with my Zoeva 231. That is my petite crease brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the outer corner and that shimmer so it doesn't look too harsh. But it shouldn't. I didn't cut the crease. Right, and I'm just gonna go back into my 225. That's my eye blender. And just buff that out some more. I'm gonna get some of this fallout off before I continue. But honestly, here's what we got. It's cute, right? It's like low key, right? It's like a calm cute. I know, but only thing I change when I go out with this look is probably either lashes. Like I'm either gonna wear lashes or not. Change the kind of lashes, whatever. Or I'm going to change the pop of color. So let's do that now. The shirt that I'm wearing has like these bright orange. I'm actually gonna go in my waterline with this crayon from Soap and Glory. It's like a pink, it's like a coral. I'm just gonna go in, hit the waterline with this real quick. And this is just to bring out the orange that I'm gonna use. So nothing crazy there, just a little bit on my waterline just to get color. Because again, my shirt has this bright orange on. You guys can't see it now, but you saw it already. You saw it already. I'm just gonna go with my Makeup and Murder neon pigment in this orange. And I'm just gonna use a little bit. Again, they do have the blood drip jars to place the pigments in. Just to make it a little easier because it is messy. I'm actually gonna have to try to be really careful because my shirt is a dark color and I don't want to fuck it up. I'm gonna take a little bit of that pigment on my Morphe E36. I'm gonna knock off as much excess as I can. I am doing my waterline and my lower lash line now because of the neon pigment. Otherwise I would have done my base already, came back and show you how to do it. But no, we don't want that mess. So I'm gonna go in. Right, looks crazy, like I look a little sick right now, but once you put a mascara, liner, all that good stuff, you'll be fine. All right, so I'm pretty much done there. I'm actually gonna go ahead off camera, weigh on my liner. Yeah, and throw on some lashes and come back and we'll do the base on camera. Why not, right? It's real simple. Real simple. Be right back. All right, so lashes are on and we're ready. You see how the lashes will literally take your look from like 0 to 100? Make it look you did all the work. All I really did off camera was put on my lashes and do a little liner. Just so that'll match well. These lashes are by Pretty Mink Beauty. This is the new packaging and I love it. This is in the style Queen shit and already I can already tell they cute. So for my foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead with my Juvia's Place. This is my velvety matte foundation. It is almost done, but I'm using it to the last drop. Okay, love it. If you haven't seen my review on this foundation, it's definitely on my channel. I'll put a card here and try to link it down below if I remember. This is in Havana 420. It's a little warm for me, not too bad, perfect for summer to be honest. So I already have some on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. It's thick, y'all, and it dries off pretty fast, so move quickly. For fuller coverage, you always want to go in with a brush. If you don't want it too full, you want it to shear it out a little bit, definitely use a beauty sponge, a wet beauty sponge, please. Don't embarrass me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get this foundation popping. Alright, so that's blended in. Still a little wet, and I definitely look a little orange. I know. Don't say nothing. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. You guys already know this is, oh my god, I look like an Oompa Loompa. Crusty. Alright, so I'm just gonna go down, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. I'm going to go under the eye, and I'm actually going to use that to just clean up the eye look a little bit. I'm really not even using a lot because remember, these people, lucky I showed up. They are. And that's it. And I'm just going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's wet. This is my favorite sponge. Like, I like the beauty blender, but I don't know. I feel like this is perfect. I feel like the beauty blender is like a little too soft and $20 and I'm not doing that. Alright, so it's a little better. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with my banana powder. This is my Makeup Revolution. Nothing crazy, nothing expensive. I don't know, I just really like it. Just gonna go over everywhere that I highlighted with my concealer and definitely just set it, especially the under eye. Even though, to be honest, I was gonna cancel, so I don't really care how set it is, but for the sake of the look, because it's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. Now with just my powder brush, and this is Maybelline Fit Me. This is their Set and Smooth in 355. So this is it. It is almost done, but it's cheap, so I can buy another one. I'm really just getting rid of that excess powder and setting my face. Just a contour, and I'm really just gonna contour my nose, not gonna lie. I'm gonna take my ABH contour kit. This is in light to medium. I'm just going with that fawn shade. That's this one that's been beat up in the middle, right here. And I've had this forever. Yeah, and I'm literally just going to contour my nose a little bit. So now with an angled kabuki brush, I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer. This is in number 2. When I bought this, I don't think there are a lot of shades, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't. I saw 2. I don't know if there's more, but when I went to Ulta, there were only 2. I never really looked it up. I just picked one because if it was a little dark, I was gonna be okay. I like the bronze, so there's that. And I'm just gonna hit everywhere that I would contour. Yup. This is it. Alright, let me grab my highlighter. We're just about done. I'm gonna go with some highlight. This is my Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion. This is a number 2. I think it's number 2. I just picked it up. It's number 2. What'd I say? And my Morphe M501. I'm just gonna go ahead, get a little highlight. I always just hit the brow bone a little, just a little. We're gonna do the bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. And the cheeks. I'm not worried about it being blind. This highlight is popping, but I'm not worried about it being blinding because remember, we trying to do just enough to look cute, but like not enough just to look like we trying to fake it. All right, we trying to look like we did a lot, but we didn't, because we didn't. And that's really it for the face. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in Club Hopper. So it's like a brown. You can use any brown. You can use whatever you want. You don't do what you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and line these crusty lips because they're looking wild right now. Wild. All right, that's enough because I'm over it. Next, I'm gonna have to buy like a million of these. This is I love this for almost every look where I don't want to use color. Literally with a different lip liner, this Nude Moon by Dose of Colors can do anything. Anything. I'm just gonna pop that in the middle. All right. And in the center, just because I did add a little pop of color, I'm gonna use this is also my NYX Liquid Suede Lippy. This is in Life's a Beach. I'm actually just gonna pop a little bit in the middle. Just in the middle. Yep, I'm okay with that. So that's pretty much the look. I'm just gonna go ahead, fix my hair up a little bit, maybe, and zoom you guys out. Be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the final look. I did just comb my hair a little bit, whatever. So this look is really, really easy. That's why it's my go-to whenever I have plans to go out that I don't really want to. I don't really want to put in the effort to do it, but I still want to look a little cute. This is what I do, okay? It's really only 3 shadows. The lashes are optional. Pop of color is optional. I usually do the pop of color to make it look like I really did something, but the lashes do all the work, just to be honest. Make sure y'all write that down. Write that down. Because that's key, honestly. You can do the same exact look for so many different things as long as you do a pop of color or change a pop of color. Looks like you did work. Okay. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed the look. If you try it out or you want to show me your go-to everyday look for plans that you kind of want to cancel on but you still show up for, go ahead, tag me on Instagram. Hit me in the DMs. You guys can do that. So there's a lot of stuff coming to my channel. I still have to do my nail tutorial, how I do my nails using the poly gel. These I did these myself, y'all. I did them myself. I've been doing it myself ever since I couldn't take it anymore. It was like 12 weeks, 13 weeks of something. My nails were the same because of this quarantine, and now that I'm doing it myself, I don't want to give them my coin. I just don't. So I'm gonna have that tutorial up for you guys shortly. Hopefully a few more collabs on this channel, and if he's acting right, I'll bring back Raccoon. If you haven't seen my last video where he reacts to my pink lemonade tutorial, make sure you check it out. He's real rude to me, but it's hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. It was a lot of fun doing that video and editing it and just watching it over. It was something. So you gotta watch it. So you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Check out some looks. If there's looks on my Instagram that I haven't done a tutorial for and you would like a tutorial, comment down below. Comment on Instagram, DM me, all of that. Any way you need to reach me, make sure you do that and I'll get that out to you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time. What? She says she's 10 minutes away. Meet her on the Ave? No. No, you doing too much. I wasn't even gonna show up. Y'all playing. Y'all playing.